We begin with new worries about the economy after one of the worst days of the year on Wall Street. The Dow Jones Industrials lost 160 points Wednesday after new reports of trouble with European banks.
Rebecca Jarvis is here to show us what exactly is going on and what this all means. Rebecca, good morning.
And good morning to you, Erica. And there's an old adage on Wall Street, sell in May, then go away. And so far this May, there's been a lot of selling. The Dow fell 1.3% yesterday. Meantime, the broader market is on track for its worst performance since September, with the S&P 500 down almost 6% this month. And numbers like these are alarming for investors, for their retirement savings, and for those tapping into their retirement funds. But they also imply an overall weakness in the global economy. Now, at the root of that weakness is what's happening across the Atlantic with our biggest trading partner, Europe. At least 9 European countries have double-dipped back into recession, including the United Kingdom, Spain, Europe's fourth largest economy, where the banks are in serious trouble, and a quarter of the population is unemployed, and Greece, whose upcoming election will likely determine whether or not the country even stays in the European Union. Now, back on U.S. soil, the real estate market is still faltering. Contracts to buy previously owned homes unexpectedly dropped 5.5% in April. And while our economy is adding jobs, they are growing now at a slower pace than they did over the winter. The one positive in all of this for U.S. consumers is that all the slower growth around the world means lower demand for oil. And that means lower prices. Crude, which was $110 a barrel, fell below $88 today for the first time since October. That is good news for consumers who are paying about 20 cents less at the pump than last month. And Charlie, when you think about what happens next, it all comes down to the labor report, which we get from the Department of Labor tomorrow.
We'll look at that tomorrow. Thank you, Rebecca.